Hi, I am Kirti Bakshi. I am basically a student of applied psychology. My journey in life started with applied psychology and Indian philosophy, which intrigued me, and I continued studying different schools of applied psychology, applied theatre, behavior theatre, a lot of Jungian psychology. I did a lot of research writing with History Channel archives, and that's where I figured out that there's a huge gap between applied psychology and classical impulsive psychology and philosophy. In my journey when I was studying philosophy, I found that they are very related. The philosophy and psychology are very closely related, and there could be a psychophilosophical approach that could be used to bring the two together. And I started researching in that. En route, I had to finish my BA, MA all over again, which was very comfortable, but it brought me closer home to both schools, the psychology and philosophy. And I happened to see a lot of people using a lot of applied psychology techniques, but they were not really formulated, they were not really into a pattern, and I tried putting a pattern to that work, which took me to research a lot on the Steiner methods, J. Krishnamurti methods, theosophy, Indian philosophy, a lot of Jungian psychology. I clubbed all of that together during my 25 years of journey, and I came to understand that the human life is nothing else but a metaphor of nature. So, if we study nature, it's so much more easier to know people, and I devised this method of studying drawings done by people. In that, as I started working, the kind of revelations that happened, the kind of transformations that happened, just guided the field. And today, it's a very, very effective line of work. A lot of my people who learned gave me the encouragement to keep going, and I kept going. So today here I am with medical therapy, trying to combine philosophy and psychology, bringing them as close as possible.
What is your message for ISHMA for hosting this award?
Well, when I came to know about ISHMA, I thought it is a very good platform. And I was of course a little wary also, but I think it's a good job to bring all professionals together where all kinds of works can be revealed. I would also say that, in order to just keep ourselves going in the field of holistic approaches and alternative approaches, I'm happy with the groundwork done. I like the kind of research methodology that you all have taken, and it seems to bring across a lot more genuine professionals to the field. And in any kind of field, I guess sifting is the key point, which is where we can separate the genuine from the, I wouldn't say not so genuine, but for people who still need a little more practice into the field. So it's always the experience versus the learners, and ISHMA seems to be honoring the experiences, which I think should spread a word around.
Okay. Spirituality being a part of knowledge where everyone plays their own role. So what is your role play?
Role play in spirituality is a very vast field. As an individual, we're just overwhelmed by spirituality, the play of spirituality in the life. My role play is I'm an ardent student of spirituality. I keep studying, and whatever comes to me as a learning, I try to see if there's someone else who wants to learn, I just pass it down. So from my teachers I learn a lot, and to people who want to learn I teach a lot. So my role play right now is very small. I'm a student at the same time. Yeah, I'm just propelling the force forward.
Okay. And how many lives have you touched and transformed with your experience in your field?
At a training level in medical therapy, hypnotherapy, applied psychology, I have up till now trained around 3,000 students. And at a therapeutic level, I wouldn't have a head count because I'm 20 years into this line. And 25 years in fact, but for regular individual sessions 20 years. So I don't really have a head count, and transformations is so much a part of the client consciousness that I wouldn't want to take the credit for it, but yeah, people have got insights and they have benefits.
Okay, thank you so much.